Everybody else always makes it for me. Okay, well, I don't actually really know how to make my bed, so I think you do this. Go Phineas, go Phineas. Go Phineas, go Phineas. Oh.
You have a lot of pillows.
I'm done.
That's your bed?
And this is where I sleep.
I thought you slept up there.
Well, when they say that I have to make my bed, do they mean that I actually have to make that bed?
Well, yes.
Oh. So I just wasted my time.
Come on, Megan.
Right.
You gotta try and make your bed.
I'll make my bed.
I think you might need this first.
No. This goes last. Make this all nice. Somebody's underwear here.
Is that yours?
Nope, those are yours, I think.
I don't live here.
Yeah, but you slept over last night. Probably got changed. So this goes first, I think, actually, not last. Because you know, like pink and pink go together. Yeah. Okay. I can do it. I like this thing at home because it makes me feel like a princess.
What thing?
This thing.
The canopy?
Yeah. Do you have one at your home?
Yep.
But I bet mine's better. Ow! My hand! I wonder what one goes first. This one or that one?
I think it's this one.
I just ruin the bed. I never make it. I hate having to make my bed. But the one good thing is you get to do this. Go Phineas, go Phineas. And then this. Ow. How long has it been taking me to do just this?
About 3 minutes.
Yeah, well, I'm almost done. Right? Oh, no.
Megan.
I can't do it. I'll try again. Okay. It's just so hard because, like, everybody at school, they always tell me when you make your bed, usually, you put on the nice covers first. I bet they're just joking, right?
Yeah.
Little buggers. I'll kill them when I get to school. Because I'm on March break now. I'm going to kill them when I get back. I'm going to stab them all.
March break's in a week, Megan.
Pardon?
March break is in a week.
It is?
Yeah?
I thought we were on March break right now.
No.
Aw. Aw, so I can kill them tomorrow.
Yeah, because it's Sunday.
Yes. And then this thing goes first. Then this thing goes second. And then this goes right here.
Well, I think you need to put...
Wait, no, stop. This goes right there, right?
No.
And then you go, wait. Oh, does this go here?
No.
Here?
No. You need to move this pillow.
Right over there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
I made a bed, but I'm never making my bed again because it was too difficult. But now you know what? Now it's even more comfy than it was before. And you know what? I'm going to tell you a story, okay? Okay. So,
Okay.
I thought when you made your bed that you like had little pins and you attached everything to the ceiling. Then you just let it fall onto the bed. I thought that's what everybody else did. So one day I attached the blankets to the ceiling. But then I couldn't get them off the ceiling. And then my dad came upstairs. He's just like, oh my God, what's on the ceiling? And I went, Daddy, I was just listening to everybody at school. And he said, yes, well, everybody at school is mentally ill. And they have big issues. And I said, oh, okay. I'm sorry. And that's the way I make my bed. I made my bed, oh-ho, I made my bed, oh-ho. And see? Bum-ba-da-bum. And to just make it nice, a bit nicer, you just go, ching. And it's